Welcome to the overview of STERIS Services' distinctive approach to the many challenges facing ambulatory surgery centers in today's dynamic marketplace. During this presentation, we will discuss our unique solutions that will help you achieve success. At STERIS, we pride ourselves on being a trusted partner with our customers. And this trust starts with truly understanding your needs, and then meeting those needs with comprehensive, unique solutions to help you achieve your financial objectives and patient outcomes. To gain insights into your needs, we started by obtaining the voice of our customers and asked you and many of your colleagues, what keeps you up at night? And you shared the following as critical to your success: patient safety and positive outcomes, operational efficiencies, do more with limited resources and expertise, meet compliance and accreditation requirements, cost consciousness and budget certainty, access to affordable education, and surgeon satisfaction. Based on your feedback, we created a new and unique solution. We are excited to introduce the ASC Spectrum of Solutions from STERIS Service. This new offering provides a wide range of solutions, including full technical support and innovative technology solutions. Our goal is to help you maintain your STERIS equipment effectively and support your goals of driving profits through increased operational efficiency, maximizing uptime, and delivering greater outcomes for both your center and your patients. It all starts with ASC SS, a unique STERIS service offering that provides you with key findings and recommendations discovered during our on-site visit. The assessment starts with a dialogue on what keeps you up at night and includes an evaluation of preventative maintenance schedules, utility evaluation, water, steam, electric, etc., as well as OR equipment status, IPT, monitoring needs, regulatory compliance, SPD processes, operational efficiency improvements, and much, much more. All at no cost to you. A spectrum of solutions built for quality and your bottom line. The STERIS Service ASC Spectrum of Solutions delivers customizable, personalized support tailored to your needs. This icon represents the holistic approach of the ASC Spectrum of Solutions, supporting you wherever you need our help. These solutions support quality, operational efficiency, and your bottom line. It all starts with sterile processing. Maximize your sterilization process. You don't have time for downtime, quality issues, or survey violations in your sterile processing. That's why we deliver maximum equipment uptime and solutions for quality, infection prevention protocols, and training. Surgical. Ensure compliance and patient safety with our surgical suite solutions. Your operating room is the moneymaker, so help keep your patients safe and meet surveyors' regulatory requirements with preventative maintenance and solutions delivered with the unmatched response of STERIS Service. Equipment Revive and certified pre-owned equipment. Affordable equipment solutions for your sterile processing and operating room. When new is not an option, STERIS Service has scalable equipment solutions that work with your needs and your budget. From performing a revive on your current equipment on site to providing affordable certified pre-owned equipment. Technology. Access equipment information and service documentation when and where you need them. MyLink. Make your job easier with technology solutions from STERIS Service. MyLink enables you to view open service tickets, review service history, place service requests, and more. Remote monitoring. We can help you resolve downtime as quickly as possible by giving you the ability to take an inside look at your equipment, including active alarms, cycle times, and more, from any electronic device. STERIS Technical Support. STERIS helps our customers with equipment-specific questions, including troubleshooting and parts identification. With over 290 years of combined service experience, our team of experts employ a product specialization approach to supporting you. Budget confidence. We strive for certainty and reducing variability around cost with innovative solutions designed for your budget. Consider a STERIS Service Choice Plus agreement and get your equipment inspected, maintained, and repaired when you need it, even after hours, for one predictable price. Education. Keep your staff trained, certified, and up to date. Your team may be the single biggest factor in your ASC's outcomes. That's why we provide training, continuing education, and thought leadership resources to drive their knowledge, expertise, and success. In summary, an ASC Assess can help you optimize your operations. The STERIS Service ASC spectrum of solutions can deliver customizable, personalized support tailored to your needs. And, as your trusted partner, these solutions support quality, operational efficiency, and your bottom line. Make your resources even more resourceful. To learn more, contact your STERIS service representative or visit sterisasc.com.